Alright guys, so we have a very important topic to cover today, and that is the 3 simplest digital marketing agency services to start with to sell to your clients. And it's actually what I just sold my plumber on just yesterday when he came over to fix our water heater, which I'll get to here in just a second. But before we get into all that good stuff, I need to thank each and every one of you because we just passed 90,000 subscribers right here on the channel, which is amazing. I didn't even realize that we were even getting to that point. And then I was like about to film this video. I checked on my channel and I was like, whoa, we did it. So thank you to each and every one of you. Go ahead, give yourselves a pat on the back because I couldn't have done it without you. So thank you so much. And just as a special little bonus, because I know a lot of you guys want to go through and start a digital marketing agency, if you guys smash the like button, if you're not already subscribed, subscribe and drop a comment down below. I'll actually just hook you up with a free digital marketing agency course to help you get started, get your first clients, and know the best services to go through and offer. Okay, and let's get to the point of this video though, because I'm gonna actually show you some of those services right here. And although I've been traditionally a Facebook ads guy and doing Facebook ads for my real estate clients, there's actually some much simpler services that if I were you, I would go through and get started. And then down the road, once you get these clients on and already saying yes to your services, you can add Facebook ads to what you're already doing. Because here's the problem with Facebook ads. First, you need the Facebook ad copy, right? So you need to go through, you either have to find the copy and paste templates, which I have for most of you guys, or if you don't have those, you have to write them, and then you have to go through and create the landing pages, the sales funnels, all this stuff, and there's just a lot of extra work that you can actually get clients amazing results, what I'm gonna show you guys here in just a second, without having to go through and do everything custom for each and every different industry. Because think about this, what if you could offer 3 simple services that it didn't matter if you're working with a real estate agent or a chiropractor or a plumber, and it was all the same exact setup process and you're able to get them extremely good results. All right, so this all kind of came about just yesterday. I was out in my garage and I saw down below my water heater, there was some water building up and I was like, that's not normal. So being the handyman that I am, I went to my wife and I had her call the plumber to get over here as soon as possible because guys, I don't know how to do anything around the house except the dishes. That's where I do come in handy. So my wife went and called the plumber. He came over, he's like, you need a new water heater. And so he's like, I'm gonna get it in and get it out as soon as possible. So he gets it done and he's cleaning up. And I just went out at the very end of it when he was cleaning up and I was like, you know, you did an awesome job. Thanks so much. Are you doing anything to get more business on Google? Because I saw, you know, you were referred to us on Facebook through some friends. And he's like, yeah, I'm not really doing anything. I know I need to be, but I'm not doing anything there. And so I went to him and I was like, hey, look, man, I actually have a software company and I can help you automate your online reviews, get more 5-star reviews so you get ranked at the top of Google when people are typing in plumbers or whatever it is. And then I was like, I can also hook you up so that when somebody calls your phone number, if you're busy, like if you're doing a job like you're doing my job right here, we can set up an automated follow-up call or automated follow-up text. So instead of just having like a missed call and you have to wait to get back to the person, as soon as that call doesn't go through, then we can send an automated follow-up text to that person. So in case you're unable to get to that call, we can send an automated text immediately to that customer, to that prospective client saying, hey, you know, I wish I could make it to this call, but I'm super busy right now. Is there anything I can help you out with? And so you can continue on with the sales conversation. And so I just literally mentioned those 2 things and he's like, you know what, that is awesome. That is exactly what I need. Let's go in and let's get it set up. So just like that, I was able to sign my plumber up, although I have never worked with a plumber before. I work traditionally with real estate agents and mortgage brokers. So let me show you guys how simple this is to set up. And the cool thing is it doesn't matter what industry you're working in, this is literally the same exact setup. And it's a one-time setup, and then after that, literally everything's done for you, and so you don't have to have ongoing fulfillment, and the customer, your client, is continually receiving massive value without you having to go through and set up new Facebook ads or new sales funnels or new websites every single month. So anyway, let's jump on my computer and let's take a look at how to set this all up. All right, guys, so here we are on the software. This is the Go High Level software. And if you guys are not already a member and you sign up down below with my affiliate link, I will give you guys a 100% free digital marketing agency training to show you how to get all this set up and how to get new clients and set everything up for your clients 100% for free. So the link's gonna be down in the description as well as in the top comment. All right, so here's what I did with my plumber. I told him I would set up his automated online reviews. I would do the auto missed call text back. And then I also told him about something called Google Business Messenger. Okay, so basically all he has to do is he's got a Google My Business listing. And then once he's got that Google My Business listing created, he just comes in here and this launchpad, this is brand new. This is so cool. He just comes over here, clicks on connect, signs into his Google account, and then just has allow to be able to connect with the account. And then check this out. So it's connecting right here. Select which business. So we're just going to do this Arsenal MKG. We're going to click done right there. And that is it. That's connected. So now if we look this up over here on Google, so we type it into Google, it pops up something just like this. Well, most people are searching for businesses on their mobile device, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pull this up and look at it like as if I was looking at it on my mobile phone. Because right here you can see it's got website, directions, save, and what we want to do is come over here and check this out on an iPhone. And when you pull it up on an actual iPhone or Android, it's going to now add this little chat bubble. So now if you're on your phone, you can click chat and message back and forth with that business owner. And the cool thing is the plumber that I set up, he's now got a mobile app where now if anyone goes through and searches for his business on Google, they can click chat and he'll be able to message back and forth with that person on his phone. Okay guys, this was like one of the easiest sales that would possibly you could ever do. Okay, so coming back over here now to go through and help him get set up with the online reviews, we go over here and click on settings. We go over here to reputation, and because the Google My Business listing is already connected, all I have to do is click generate link, and boom, look at that. It's right here. We got this link, so we just go through, copy this, we pull that up. It's already pre-populated. So now when somebody goes through and clicks on this link, which we're gonna have the automated emails and text messages already sending out with this link in them, they'll be able to click on it and then be able to go through and leave a 5-star review. Okay, so that's two of the things already done with just connecting our Google My Business account and generating that simple link. And the third and final thing that I set up for him is coming over here. I went to workflows, and basically what this is if somebody calls in, checking out over here the phone number that's over here, and I don't have a phone number on this business, but if they call in and you are like busy, you're away, you can't get to it, we can go through and send an automated follow-up text back so we don't miss out on that business. So all you got to do is come over here and click on create workflow, and they already have a pre-built workflow for this. So if we come down here, we've got the auto missed call text back. We just click on this right here. We click on create new workflow, and then from here we can go through and check this out. So it says incoming call. If something's busy, so like if you're busy, you're on the other line, it goes to voicemail or no answer. What we're gonna do is we're gonna assign it to a user, or if it's just one person, then you don't have to go through assign it. It could be to anybody. You can add a tag to that person, and then check this out. It's going to send a text to that person. Hey there, sorry missed your call, how can we help? And then you throw in your name, it's the location name right there, the account information. And then on there, you're gonna send to the plumber, to my plumber friend now, a push notification to his mobile phone, letting him know, hey, you missed a call, we sent out this text message to this person. And then also you can send a text message to him saying like, hey, you missed a call, we just sent a text, giving all the information there. Okay, so now from here, he's also, when this lead texts back to this initial intro text, he can text back and forth with them from the mobile app as well. And we just set a basic price point for 300 bucks a month, and it was a no-brainer sale for him. Okay, and guys, that's literally all I had to do for the setup. And think about the ongoing management. For the automated online reviews, we've already got that link generated, and it already creates the automated email and SMS follow-up templates. So is there anything that I need to do on a monthly ongoing basis? Do I have to go through and create new Facebook ads? Do I have to go through and adjust the campaigns, create new sales funnels? No, I don't. And as far as the Google My Business Messenger over here, do I have to go through and update this and make sure that people are actually texting them back the right way? No, that's it. That's all I had to do. And then for the missed call text back, is there anything else I have to do? Well, the only thing I do have to do is I have to make sure it's published, because if it's not published, it's not going to work, right? But that's it. Okay, so anytime anyone calls in today, tomorrow, 5 months from now, a year from now, this is all set up and he's going to continue to pay me $300 every single month, and there's no ongoing work for me to do. All right, so anyway guys, if this was helpful, go ahead, smash that like button. I hope it was. If you guys want more information on this, I actually have a 100% free online workshop that I walk you through all of this step by step, how to get easy clients. Okay, I know that's a big question a lot of people have. How do I go through and get people saying yes and wanting to actually sign up for my services? I walk you through my exact strategies that I've used to get over 15,000 clients for my own marketing agency. Then I walk you through these services plus a couple additional services that you can add on to charge $400, even $500 per month. And the best part about this is these services allow you to remove yourself from the business, so you're not having to go through and jump back and forth from client sales to client fulfillment, and then client sales, client fulfillment, and then oh crap, customers cancel, so we got to go fill the bucket more. Like, it's just going through and scaling your business. So anyway guys, if you want that, I'll also have a link down in the description as well as in the top comment. And with that said, thank you so much for being a part of the journey to 90,000 subscribers. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.